I'm going to show you how to add the location to focus mode in macOS. First, we have to open up system settings. And here it opens up in general. From here, we just click on focus on the left bar. Then we click on do not disturb. And here under set a schedule, we click on add schedule. And here we click on location. And here we can select the location where we want our focus mode to be applied. So for example, if we arrive to work, we can set our focus mode to start right then. So for example, we could set up that during our stay at home, so during we are at home, we won't receive work-related notifications or something of that sort. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.